Okey, selamat petang semua. Kali ni kita bernasib baik dapat interview member kita orang daripada Bangkok kan, untuk event iAM kali ni. So
Okay.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Paul. I'm from Bangkok. We bring the car to KL 2018.
Okay. This car what model?
My car is actually what DB9 is coming with the for the beauty all-wheel drive, but now on progress to changing the gearbox to for the beauty. Right? So now just to the beauty. It's not a DB8.
DB9. Model ni model DB9.
Yeah.
So engine lama all wheel drive, right?
All-wheel drive, yeah.
Okay. So sekarang this one engine
But now it's two-wheel drive.
Okay.
One-wheel drive.
Okay.
So this one K24 or K20?
This one K24. Top K20 plus K24.
Okay. How about the camshaft? Are you upgrade?
The camshaft is all fully modified. There's like camshaft, piston, and everything.
Everything block, gearbox?
Yep.
Gear ratio?
Gearbox is full ratio 6 gear.
Okay. How about the exhaust? How inches?
The exhaust is the header is just spark racing.
Okay.
Yep. And 3-inch all along, and the ECU is iAM Infinity.
iAM Infinity.
Yep.
Okay.
And this one for the house is about 300. The color is I make myself.
Oh, mix.
Yep. I'm doing the car body workshop.
Okay, alright.
But very nice color.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Just make myself.
Okay. So, that's it. Itu je yang kita boleh dapatkan. Kalau kita ada masa, kita akan rolling shot dengan dorang.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, that's all.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.